Hi, welcome to Dick's Kitchen. Today we're going to make spicy chicken sandwich with fries. It's going to be a very straightforward recipe, so let's get started. To make spicy chicken sandwich, we are going to need slices of chicken breast, buttermilk, all-purpose flour and cornstarch, oil for frying, burger buns, sandwich pickle, plain mayo and hot sauce, lettuce, potato fingers, keep them soaked in water, chili seasoning, unsalted butter and chopped garlic. To make this chili seasoning, we're going to need Kashmiri red chili powder, paprika or red chili powder, cumin powder, onion powder, garlic powder, Amchur powder, Anardana powder, black salt, salt and black pepper powder. For the initial prep, season 500 grams of chicken with 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Now add 200 ml of buttermilk and coat the chicken completely. Cover and refrigerate for 4 to 6 hours, preferably overnight. For the chili seasoning, mix 2 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon paprika or red chili powder, half teaspoon Amchur powder, half teaspoon black salt, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon Anardana powder, pinch of salt, half teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon onion powder and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Use a towel to completely dry potato fingers. Once done, add 1 tablespoon cornstarch and mix. Fry potatoes on low heat for 5 minutes. Take them out and let them sit for some time. Fry them again on high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of the chili seasoning we made earlier. Mix and keep aside for later use. To make flour coating, mix together half cup of flour, half cup of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Make sure chicken is at room temperature before frying it. Coat chicken gently in the flour mixture and then drop it into hot oil. Fry chicken on medium-high heat for about 5 minutes. Increase heat and fry for another 2 minutes. Once done, take chicken out on a steel rack or plate. Mix 3 tablespoons of chili seasoning in 6 tablespoons of hot oil. Dip fried chicken in this mixture and keep it aside for plating. For the garlic mayo sauce, mix together 2 tablespoons of plain mayo, 2 tablespoons hot sauce and 5 chopped garlic cloves. Apply some butter on the burger buns and toast them on a heated pan. It's time for plating. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more such recipes.